Hi folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet here. Just a quickie today. I just brought the airplane back from the annual a couple of days ago. I've flown about a couple hours since I brought it back. I had my grandson with me, as you probably saw in some of the other videos. He was with us for about 2 weeks, and now he's pretty soon he's got to go back to school, so folks thought he'd be better that he get back with the rest of the family instead of sticking around here with me all the time. Anyway, today what I'm doing is just washing the airplane. I did have it up for about a half hour this morning. Today was totally VFR. I mean, it's been must have been over a month, it felt like, where we're just socked right in with smoke and visibility down to a couple of miles, if that. Sometimes it's down to a mile and a half. In any case, I just show you what I'm doing out here. I've got the airplane in the hangar again, and I'm pretty happy it's here. I'll be working on it as time goes on. When it's not flyable, I'll be doing some stuff on the inside. And but today I'm actually doing the washing of the airplane. Now, I don't do it with a big hose or anything like that. I do it with a bucket and a big towel, and I just kind of wash the airplane down. And I do one section at a time. I've already done the fuselage, and now I'm working on the wings. I just take an old towel and just go over the wing, wetting it all down. And I do one section at a time. Be from rivet line to rivet line. Okay, so the stuff I'm using here is FW1. It's wash and wax, usable on cars, RVs, boats, personal watercraft, motorcycles, airplanes, trucks, bicycles, and the kitchen sink. And very easy. Directions for use: shake can vigorously, park in a shaded area, which I am. Rinse off excess dirt and mud, which I did by washing it down with the towel. And it says turn on your favorite radio station and set the mood for starting to wash. Spray on a light coat of this stuff and this FW1, and then use a terry towel or a terry cloth towel. Gently rub the stuff in a circular motion. You don't have to move it very hard, just to give it a nice circular motion like this. Like I said, I just do section at a time here, rivet line to rivet line usually. But in this particular case, I'm going to be doing 2 rivet lines. Okay, so now I guess the washing part is done. Then you use a dryer towel and you do the same thing again. And this sort of gives it a real nice shine. It kind of dries it up, any of the excess stuff that you've got laying around. And it just really gives it a nice shine. Even the windows, I do the windows on these as well, and just spray right over it, and boy do they turn out nice and glossy. And you know, I don't think they've ever been this clean. Now I still have to go on the inside and do them with the normal aircraft window cleaner, but boy, I'll tell you, I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Okay, now you're probably going to ask, how many cans does it take to wash this aircraft? This is a Cherokee 140. I'm on my 2nd can. Okay, now I would say, based on what I had in the other can, it may have been 3/4 full, if that. It may have been only half full. That did my total fuselage, that half a can, or just slightly over a half a can. And this one I just started as a full can, doing my wings. Now I'm just talking about the top surfaces. I'm not talking about underneath the wing. I'm just talking about the leading edges and all the complete aircraft as you see it here. But I would say it would probably take you 2.5 cans of this to wash the aircraft. Mind you, you have to clean it first with a wet towel. I believe I bought this at Costco. And it's just in around the area where the batteries are in that aisle. It's this. This is the FW1, and I just want to let you know that I'm not being paid by this. I wish I was by this company. I just went out and bought it, and I think it's great. It saves me a lot of time. So anyway, here's what it looks like. If you like my vlogs, folks, there's a subscribe button, which I believe is down here on your screen. Either bottom right when you're looking at it. And just click that subscribe button. I've got a couple of hundred videos on here. Everything from flying to Oshkosh to trips when I used to do tour bus driving. Well, you just go through them. There's a whole, I think there's about 4 or 5 different playlists in there. The majority are all about flying and associated with flying. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.